All right, hello everyone. Today we're going to be looking at finding the y-intercept and slope, similar to what we did yesterday, and then graphing that information. So on our first question, we have the equation y equals 1/4 x minus 1. Think back to when we're talking about slope-intercept form. We're looking at that y equals mx plus b, where b is my y-intercept and m represents slope. So in looking at the first problem, this -1 is going to be my y-intercept. With that being my y-intercept, I want to go ahead and mark where that point crosses the y-axis. Next part we're going to look at is my slope. And our slope here is 1/4. Remember, on slope, we're looking at the change in my y to the change in my x. So in this case, I'm going to move up 1 to the right 4. So that would give us this point here. If I wanted to move backwards, I can move to the left 4, down 1. Then all we have to do is connect that line. And that's all we are doing. All right, let's look at number 2. We have y equals -x plus 2. Again, that plus or minus piece is going to be my y-intercept. So in this case, we have a +2. And we're going to mark +2 on that y-axis. Our slope in this case, okay, there's no number. But remember, if I have no number, I'm really just saying -1x. So this -1 is going to be my slope. So again, change in y, change in x. If I have -1, my denominator is 1. So I'm going to go down 1 to the right 1. Down 1 to the right 1. And then connect our line. Okay, at this point, you're going to work on the rest on your own. When you finish, or at the end of class, whichever comes first, make sure that you do turn in your assignment.